12:28 recap.
Good.
We're redoing this. I was talking and then my mic didn't hit. So just a basic recap of what we did because some new people joined, so it's also good to go over it. Going to the day we saw this market maker sell model, we pushed lower, and this is where some people were bullish because we just took out these lows right here, and people thought we wanted to take out these highs. And I was kind of confused. It's like, wait, this is a market maker sell model with a breaker block right here. So once I saw this breaker block, this is basically my thought process. Market maker sell model, and I was basically calling out the market saying I want to see displacement. We got displacement. I was pretty proud of that. I was like, what did I tell you, winky face? Displaced through this low, and this is confirmation. And right where I was at, this low right here, order block plus mitigation block. This was a re-entry that I was notifying people on, but um, it would have been really hard to get a fill because we have this order block right here, plus this mitigation block. I'd consider this a mitigation block just off the tap of this, but this entire wick could also be considered one. And right here, when we got tapped into it, the way I get such small stop losses, I like to put my stops behind the mean threshold of order blocks. So right here is where my stop would be at, just a little bit behind it, because price tends to respect this, and if we don't, there's no strength in that trade, trade's over. And you can see how much we respected this level, and we went lower. And I'm pretty sure take profit was 40 handles, so we probably would have gotten stopped out on this. But I probably would have called partials because I want to start incorporating partials into my trades. So where could we have taken profits at? Obviously, if you look at the 5 minute, we have this fair value gap right here, and off the initial tap of it, we know we want it to get filled, but we're obviously going to reject off of it a few times. You can see that we even formed turtle soups, multiple lows getting taken out right here, and we failed to break higher. And what is this right here? Can someone tell me what this is?
Consolidation.
No, there's this little pattern, and we call it three drives. This is something I go over a lot. I used to go over it a lot, but it's basically, I wanted to see space, but it's when price takes out liquidity three times. So we take out this high, boom. We take out
Okay.
this high. It's not as clean as I want, but you can see the price failed to push up higher, and we didn't form three drives at the lows, but we did form three drives at the highs, which we just took out this high, displaced lower, tried to go lower, we couldn't go lower. We tried to go higher, we couldn't go higher, so obviously we're going to go lower, especially after we filled this too. So we're going lower. Where could our potential re-entries be off this to catch this move right here? I mean, I wouldn't be trading here because it's a little bit too close to the end of the market. I usually cut it my trades at 2:30, which I think that's 3:30 New York time, so this is where I would have been done trading. So there's nothing more I could see. But past this move in the day, it was just pure accumulation. I do not want to trade these conditions because if you look at the 15 minute, you can see the small bodies and big wicks. This basically just means just not conditions I want to trade. I don't want to trade conditions like this. But I just want to go back and clarify it today because I feel like I sped over it a little bit too much. But market maker sell model and DXY is actually pushing lower. So a lot of people were expecting higher. Try to validate the three drives. Yeah, I want to see because this could have also been a Judas swing, but we didn't really take out any highs. Let me check out the 1 minute and see if we did. We did have this high. We had equal highs right here, so this could have also been considered a turtle soup, but it would have been really small. So we need some higher time for PD arrays. But yeah, I'd say that this could be a Judas swing. Where's our 830 at? 830 accumulation. I mean, if it was a Judas swing lower, then we take out this high. Fake out. Okay, yeah, I'd say it was because the manipulation is supposed to fake people out, then we go lower. But yeah, that's a Judas swing. Not as clean as I want, not the way I teach it, but it is one. But going back on it, I'm just gonna show you guys a PD arrays we could have taken a trade off of. Let me check out the 50 minute. So we have this order block right here that we tapped into, plus a breaker block because we took out this high specifically. So this is a breaker block, high confluence, and my entry was. I'll show you real quick, and I'll go through because I just realizing now I sped over it way too much. Okay, I messed that up, but we'll just call it like this. So click on my analyst chat, which all this is for free, by the way, for the people watching this on YouTube. Right here, we start pushing up. We filled it entirely. We pushed up to this high. A lot of people were expecting this high to get taken off this sweep of this liquidity right here, and we're expecting this for value gap. I mean, longs would be justified with her bias, but I saw a sell model and I took trades off of it. And I trust the sell model because the shift in market structure we had right here was really big. Plus, we're respecting this breaker and order block on the 15 minute. So, as price pushed up here for the third time, second or third time, I realized when we pushed lower here, I thought we were going to go lower. Might as well take a trade. My stop could be at this high. How much handles would that be? 3, 4, 5. I'm fine with a 5 handle loss. And in comparison, my risk to reward is so high, it would really not matter. I could have a maybe 20 to 30% win rate. And if your risk to reward is this good, if you're really precise with your stop losses and your win rate, like if you hold on to it for a good amount, and your max loss is maybe like 100 per trade, and your wins are 500, 600, sometimes 1,500. You will do just fine. You could take 15 losing trades and make it all back in one trade if your risk reward is really good.
I can vouch for that too. It's pretty
Exactly.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to put as much people on that as possible. It's not really about your strategy or your win rate. It's more about your risk management and just staying unemotional. A lot of people like to preach it, but barely anyone can actually stick with it. But push up here, I entered I wouldn't really say it's an emotional entry. I had logic behind it, but we didn't really have a certain price point that I wanted to reach up to. Of course, this order block would have been a limit order, but I just wanted to see the pure price action. That's where I called it. And for the re-entry, I called it displacement. Wanted to see displacement. We had this order block that was put in plus mitigation block. I want to see what was it called? The consequent encroachment tapped, or at least the order block tapped, and that's why I called re-entry. And here we go. Went a little bit lower. We tapped into the order block coming up on it. Of course, this gap once it get filled, I want you guys to actually look at how price wants to fill these imbalances, and we fill pretty nicely. And this is what I like to see for these conditions. Just take a look at the 5-minute fair value gaps and just watch how price fills it and respects these imbalances. Tapped it, completely filled it, respected it. No body closes above. So this would have validated my 3 drives a lot more, even though the conditions are bad. But on the 1 minute, I guess it could have been a really good scalp. Not much confirmation. We did tap into this fair value gap, but we could have targeted this low, but that's a small amount of handles. Some scalpers wouldn't take that, but I'm personally not a scalper. But we have a new series coming on the way of the charter content, so this is probably the only trade we can say we took today. I know barely anyone took it. Some people did, but I doubt anyone took it. But for, how much handles was this? Cutting it at that fair value gap. If we would have took this no drawdown, I guess 27 handles is alright. For my trade, I cut it. I don't even know where I cut it, to be honest. I just cut it. Told you. Drawdown if it hits. Look at DXY. DXY started dumping, so I got worried. Also, don't verify. I should. One order block. Okay. I'm closing my position. Okay, it was off the order block. Okay, let's find that real quick. Go over that. So right here, was it this order block? Oh, it was on the hourly. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we had this order block, and this is probably where I took my profits, right here. Because we were kind of respecting it. Once I saw us pushing lower through it, I waited for the next movement lower, which I'll show you that real quick. So this is the order block. We pushed through. We started respecting here. On this push, I exited. So, of course, you guys wouldn't be able to do that because it wasn't really a signal call out, so I wouldn't really be proud of that. But I guess 30 handles is alright, especially for these conditions. Do you have any questions about anything, or is there anything you guys want to tell me?
Oh, so Mantis, I have a question.
What's up?
Okay, so on our, I think, wait, it's 8:30. So 8:30 New York time, that displacement lower.
Mm-hmm.
So that was not a liquidity grab, or was it? Because it
This high
was
up
a
here?
market. What?
Wait,
Oh
this,
no, like
oh,
placement
are you talking
lower.
about this one? This one is a market structure shift because you can see we closed through with a ton of willingness to go lower.
Was it okay? But for like all the liquidity on the left, yeah, for all those liquidity, so wouldn't that like right there, yeah, like wouldn't that be considered like a liquidity grab and not a market structure shift, or is it both?
I mean, the second we push through this high on the 5 minute, I'd say that this is good enough for a market structure shift, especially when we push through this and we're still displacing. Of course, I'm expecting a reaction off a turtle soup. Just because we're bearish doesn't mean some setups won't work, because some people would be taking quick scalps off the turtle soup right here, taking out this low, entering off consequent encroachment of the fair value gap, taking out this high. So of course you're going to see some retracements of that, but it just ties into how everything plays a role. Of course, we shift market structure, we retrace perfectly. I want to see if we tapped into OTE or anything, and I think we did. Yeah, we were in OTE for this trade, and let's see it. OTE. Okay, this would have been an OTA order block. This I should have called it out, but I was in the car. I had 3 or 4 hours of sleep. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I was kind of messed up when I saw this. And then we displaced lower. How much lower was this entire move? I think this was like 50. Yeah, 50. But OTE order block right here. We went lower. So yeah, we did think it was a sweep at first. I don't know why we switched our bias. Because we were bullish, I would have expected this to hold up, but I still took it because I saw a market maker sell model. And regardless of what I see... Oh, I remember now, I remember. Okay, my bad. I remember looking on the daily, and I saw we had this wick right here. And if we want to go higher, my thought process is we gotta tap back into it. And I think we still haven't tapped into it. So I guess I'm gonna be a little bit more bearish for tomorrow. Plus, you have this fair value gap that I do want to see get filled. So if we want to push up higher, I'm expecting a wick down into it, or just a retracement, because TGIF, thank God it's Friday. That just basically means 20 to 30% retracement into our weekly range. And I want to see, just calculate it real quick. We already retraced a good amount, but I'm expecting a little bit more retracement. So I'm going to be a little bit more bearish tomorrow. I have to check out DXY to confirm that, but I don't really know if we have any other questions. Are we good? Hopefully. Okay. Volume imbalance, we never tapped that volume imbalance. So we're going over what I'm expecting for tomorrow. Oh, what's up, FX Talisman? Okay, so of course we're going lower in DXY, which should drive us higher. But same thing, we have this fair value gap that wants to get filled. We gotta fill these imbalances. So right here. And let's hop a 4 hour. I mean, this high is still intact, so this kind of formed a turtle soup just because we tapped and rejected off of it. So we do have this turtle soup, lines up with a 4 on the daily high that I want us to get taken. Let's see if we have any other PD arrays that we could be targeting, because this is just a small retracement just for tomorrow. And let me see, because I think that's our last time. Friday, Saturday. Yeah, the next time we're going to be trading is New Year's, and I think it's closed. Is market open or closed? January 1st. I think it...
Close.
Yeah,
From
I think
Closed.
it's closed, yeah. What? Bro, the other YouTubers in here, what's up? I love your videos, bro.
What's up? What's up? I wanted to stop by.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about ICT, so I'm coming in here listening. I'm so curious on what a turtle soup is.
it's
This
basically
is
just-
this is like a new language.
Yeah, no, it's literally just I could just explain it to sum it up. This high right here with a fair value gap. It's literally just a high enough fair value gap. So
Okay.
it's basically like a double whammy. I guess that's the best way we could put it, because it lines up perfectly. We tap into it. It's a liquidity sweep plus a fair value gap already. Two confluences, we go lower.
Okay.
Did
Shoot,
you take any trades today?
Today no, actually no, I didn't. I didn't. Yesterday I did. Today I didn't.
Yeah.
Waiting till tomorrow for price action because I trade gold. That's why.
Oh, XAU USD. Let me take a look at that.
Yep.
Forex, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've also heard a lot of other things about ICT. I've heard like
A lot of rumors.
I may be tripping. Like there's a mother-daughter handle chart pattern, like a teacup pattern. Like,
Those are
am
kind
I
of
crazy?
made up by- I mean, a little bit. I wouldn't really consider that, because a lot of ICT's fans, they like to make up a bunch of stuff, because there's these other, like, you can call them SMC influencers. Like, I trade ICT,
Okay.
I'm open about it. These people, they
Yeah.
make up their own version of it. They say, call it Smart Money Concepts, get rid of ICT's name, and they just rebrand it to their own. They call fair value gaps. What do they call fair value gaps? Sell gaps or bearish gaps or whatever.
Mhm.
They call it random names. They make up stuff, and they kind of make up their own version of the concepts, and that's what trips up most people. And that's why it kind of has a bad reputation, because it's like a game of telephone. The information gets put through so much people, it's just completely irrelevant. Some people think liquidity sweeps. The second it ticks out the high, you should be entering shorts, but that's just
Yeah.
a continuation. And that's why people are like ICT doesn't work. But if you actually go through like all the lectures, you'll see it works just fine for most people. It just takes time.
Are you doing this full time?
Yeah, at the moment I'm full time. I don't have any other jobs.
Damn.
I don't want to expose myself on YouTube, because I feel like I have some issues with prop firms. They find out about my age, they don't want to pay out. They get snarky with their money. Because if you could save a few thousand by banning someone for being underage on the prop firm, of course they do it. If I would do it too.
Yo, Mantis, what's good,
What's up, bro?
bro? I can talk now, bro.
Oh, what's up? Perfect. I like.
Wait, Mantis. I'm sorry. I don't want to interrupt,
you can
but
interrupt, don't worry.
you're not revealing your age to the firms, right?
They already know. I got banned. Apex found out. They found my YouTube. They
How?
banned me out because I.
There's no way.
I posted my dashboard and everything too. I even blurred out some of it on Trade Day. They got me. They suspended almost all the prop firms. Suspend my account. I'll show you real quick. Because Trade Day. I mean, we already rioted in Trade Day. They banned both my accounts.
There's no
Yeah, I swear.
way.
We stopped using them. I had 2 accounts and I'm hiding it. Look, I'll show you.
How did they find it? Did someone snitch on you? Like, what
I
happened?
think I snitched on myself because of the YouTube. The YouTube showed me up in profits, and you could see. I'll show you in extra.
And they
news.
just found the video? They just found the
I
video?
was hiding it. I was like, okay, so this I'm gonna pass this eval as quick as possible. 650 in one day, hitting the max profit target every day. 650 the next day, another 650 next day. What was it? On next day, up 500. So boom, 3 days, I'm up making $500, $600 a day, and then they banned me. I posted the video, and I guess they just looked at my account balance
There's
or the
no
stats or like the
way.
leaderboard. They banned me. I have the video. I think everyone can vouch for me if you've been here for long enough. I blurred it out, blurred out the name and everything. They still got me.
That's crazy.
And I'll show you, I contacted Apex support to tell them I was over 18 because I was going to use an adult's information, and look what happened.
Banned for fraudulent activity. That's
I
crazy.
Bro, I
That's
was up.
crazy.
I was about. Bro, I was up on this account too. Like, I'll show it in the video right now.
How
I
much
have my
was the
certificate on my
funding?
wall, but banned for fraudulent activity because I'm under 18. This is just, they're out to get me. I can't really.
That's
reveal-
actually kind of scary.
I know. I
I'm
can't,
not even gonna
I
lie.
can't reveal anything about the platforms I'm with right now because.
I know
I don't wanna
exactly how
mess
you.
up,
I
yeah.
can't. Like I have people that know. Like for me, if you know, you know. But
Yeah,
I
if
don't.
You know, you know.
I no longer go and I have my suggestions though 100%, but and I'm biased, but still, yeah, no, that's terrifying.
This is just. This just messes me up. I can't.
That is
They're out to get me because I actually have taken payouts with these prop firms, and of course, the first thing you're gonna do a little bit of research into me, see anything they can do to prevent me from making a few thousand off them. That's how they save money. Because imagine I get like a what was it called, 5K payout. You could just look up my YouTube. That's why I put I am 18 and everything. But you could look up my name. They just take me out. It's kind of a flex though, but it's whatever. Oh.
Hey, you're too
How much
profitable
was
for
the
them. You're too
funding, if you don't
profitable
mind
for
me
them.
Wait, how
asking?
much was what?
The funding.
The funding? I mean, I had to pay for the activation fee. I passed a lot of platforms actually, and I was up. I was doing an eval when I got banned. But gold looks pretty bearish. Respect
Yeah.
for value gap, hourly. Yeah, hourly
Just took
looks
out
good.
daily highs too.
Yeah, this is actually a market maker sell model. This price action looks so clean.
I know gold is actually
It's
nice.
cleaner than the indices. That's crazy. I used to trade it too. I remember some people who barely could trade were doing so good in gold. It's amazing. I don't know. Oh wait, no, I don't trade forex anymore. It's so much harder on NQ. I hate it.
Yeah,
We
Enki's
should probably
definitely.
move over to gold because I could trade this perfectly.
I was thinking of actually adding an indice next year.
Oh, that would be kind of wrong. This is a turtle soup, by the way. Hopefully this could clear it up. I don't think you're ever gonna use it, but we just have this.
I was
hide
just
here.
curious. I'm just curious. I still want to know it.
Of course, I'll just show you. So we have this hide that gets taken over here, and of
Okay.
course we have a fair value gap. So most people, they just enter off the middle mean threshold or the
Mhm.
consequent encroachment. Their stop is at the high, and they just target these lows. And this is just a turtle soup setup. And that's about it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's not really how I trade it. I wait for retracement to anything, but I don't think we got one. So this is just how I feel like most people would trade it. I don't
Okay.
know. Gold is probably gonna be the best thing we could do, honestly, because this is clean. Like most of
Yo,
ICT's
Looney,
teachings are
Looney.
forex.
Yo,
I
what's
swear
up?
I've watched your videos and I swear you use like something from ICT. I'm not even kidding.
I
That's
trade
so
I trade
out.
SMC, or I trade. I mean,
SMC.
I just
Yeah.
trade.
It's okay.
I
Yeah,
just
add
trade.
everything together. That's fine.
Yeah, I just trade.
How do you feel about like all the drama with ICT traders? Like how you get?
It's. I mean, I have one of my friends. He trades. I mean, and I have you, of course, but he trades ICT religiously. I love him though. But I mean, I don't really care.
Does he just go
my-
off if anyone says anything bad about ICT?
He doesn't do that, but he
Okay.
definitely when the new. I don't know what happened, but apparently ICT released a new video or something, like a new
Oh,
20.
shoot.
I don't know. You guys probably know he released like some new
His private
boot
mentorship,
camp or
right?
something. Mentorship, yeah.
Yeah, his
Thank
private. He released his private mentorship.
Yeah, and he immediately sends it, and then he immediately sends it, and he's telling me, and he starts adding people in my server. He's like, bro, ICT mentorship came out. Like, bro.
I know. I'm making a
This is-
video on that. I already have my notes. I'll show you my notes from that video, right here. Where is this?
That's awesome. I love it though. I
know.
love seeing
I'm gonna
people
make this
so
public, though.
intriguing with
Everyone's gonna
strategies.
Get this. This is just my notes. I'm gonna have it in the video. I'm gonna show a strategy, how to trade it, just so I can get more views. Honestly, I feel like it's really good content. ICT has like 1 million subscribers. I can get like a portion of that. And I'll be happy.
Exactly. Just take a snippet.
Dude, just take a small
Literally
snippet.
1%. Hey, bro.
Yeah, I don't have anything else to do. I have plenty of time.
Yo, I like the concept of the model, but I don't like it that it's only 1 week, but
I mean,
that's
it's not
kind of
entirely
wild.
1 week. You just have to be extremely selective with your setup. I could show you. Just give like a quick thing of it. You just want to be taking a trade against the initial thing. It's just OT.
And did you see the new one that he posted?
Which one?
The new video that he posted. He posted like the whole trading plan. It's kind of crazy.
Sheesh. This is literally it. Hold up.
Yo, I don't know if you want it, but I have the 11 other videos of the series.
What? Oh,
Bro,
I-
no,
I-
like
I have the link,
I'm
bro.
enough with one video, bro. I'm
Bro,
enough.
I
with
have the
one
leak of the
No,
rest.
no, I think you
How
need
is-
11. I
Pre-release.
think you need
No,
11.
no, no,
Need
I'm
11.
not watching 11.
Need 11.
I have the
How do you
I'm
expect to get
still,
profitable?
bro,
Yeah.
I'm still on
Yep,
the
yep.
2022. I
Bro,
was
you
curious.
need-
Who cares? It's
No, no, no,
2024. No, I'm
Yo,
joking.
yo,
2024. Oh, yeah, you're right.
yeah,
it's
he's about to
2024.
make, bro. Okay, yeah,
I
he's
should
about
make
to
a
make
2024
2020,
mentorship.
bro.
That would be amazing.
Hey, yo, what is it gonna be about, bro?
What? What? I'm reading right now. What?
I'm gonna make a 20. Oh wait, I already am. I'm gonna make a whole beginner course for everyone because I can't. If I had to teach someone one-on-one like the beginning on how to trade, my head would explode. Like that, it's just that type of stuff.
It's like that
I'll
happened.
teach it once in my life, never again. I'll do one beginner course showing trading view, the terminology and stuff like that. But past that, it's ridiculous.
Of
Man's
course,
about to
bro.
become
Of course
Only
the
thing
Russians,
you have to
bro, of
trade
course
is
the
I love how
Russians.
everyone unmuted at the same time. Like,
Yeah, how much people do we
Bro,
have?
bro,
in
it
here?
must said 2024 is crazy.
Bro, it's about to be
I
2024,
know.
and I'm literally just like sitting here, eating and chilling.
You're learning. You're learning.
Bro, I just only started trading ICT like a week ago. Before that, I'm trading using SMC.
Yeah. For a lot of the ICT traders out there, don't let the hate on ICT actually mess with you, because they're gonna say his concepts don't work. They can't trade it.
Bro,
It doesn't work for everyone.
I literally saw a short once. I literally just saw a short once, and I just watched it. I was like, "What the fuck are you saying? Yeah, have you been liquidated by him and
I'm gonna
before?" It's like,
liquidate in you.
Yo, what? Yo, Joy,
Pause,
how'd you get all that? How'd you
Unpause.
get the leaked videos? How'd you
Bro,
get the
I
leaked
was
videos?
walking down the street and then some guy was like, "Yo, bro, do you want the 2024?"
Okay,
trade?"
now that's cap.
so now,
Nah,
now you're
nah,
spreading it
What?
around.
bro.
Did you get it on
Wow.
like Twitter or something? Did you get it
Bro,
on
I
Twitter
don't
or
know.
something?
I think I was on TikTok and like I just saw like a WeTransfer link. I just copied it on my thing, and then it worked.
wait.
Wait.
What?
Can I ask you a question? Is the videos like one model per like some episodes? Like is this is a swing like I mean what is this scalp model? What's the next model?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Wha-
it's like all of the videos. There's 2 of them on MMXM, and there's 2 of them. It's like
Oh
Good.
Oh
what?
wait. The rest of it's on
Wait,
MMXM.
what?
What do you mean?
There's 2 videos on MMXM, and the rest is just different models, like swing models.
Yeah,
scalp models.
I'm not-
yeah.
I
That's
don't-
what
I
I was
never
thinking.
stuck
That's
off
a
of the
bit what I was
swing models.
thinking.
Okay, yeah.
It's I think
It's
it's
2019,
gonna be
2019.
short. I mean swing. I mean what am I saying? Scalping and then short term probably and then swing, if you really think about it. But
I don't
yeah,
know,
I
you
think
wanna
that's
see
how
it?
it's gonna go.
You wanna
Right.
see?